Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Espeon from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Draw a curved vertical line. Connect the circle to the curved vertical line. Draw stone on the forehead. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw mouth. Draw circle below head for the ribcage. Draw a circle at the right side of the ribcage for the pelvic structure. Draw neck. Connect these two circles to form the body shape. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw ear. Detail the ear. Detail the ear. Draw fur on the face. Draw fur on the face. Draw tail. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.